Reimbursements.
Mm.
Let's talk about reimbursements. It's one of the most important tools for everybody who sign up to Sellerise at first, because reimbursements is something that gonna gives you the most amount of money in a short period of time. Because the moment, guys, you register for Sellerise, first I suggest you to go to reimbursements and check how much money Amazon actually owes you. And the reason why you have to do it, it's right here, how much money Amazon owes you. The
Mm.
reason why you have to do it, because Amazon has a specific limit of time of how long they give you opportunity or window to request the money back from Amazon. As you can see here, like a 0 to 9 months, it's like how long the potential money was sitting there, 9 to 18 months. And you see this 18 months plus, it usually something, some cases you can request money only after 90 days. But here we put this in a red color to make sure you understand this money is unreversible. So it would be impossible for you to get this money back from Amazon. And the biggest case I ever seen, it was $33,000 been lost here
Wow.
by some seller because he didn't take action to request this money back from Amazon. It's pretty much very easy. We have a dashboard here, cases that you can manage. Let me go back to this. You see different categories. Since
Mm-hmm.
it's a demo account, there's way more categories already available in a real account.
Mm-hmm.
Once you enable, our system will recalculate everything inside your accounts, and we're gonna see like how much money Amazon lost you for the destroyed inventory, damaged inventory, or missing FBA shipments. But let's say we want to get money back for destroyed inventory. So we have this category, we choose this, we click next. Then we choose a products, let's say, that we want to get reimbursed for. We choose type of reimbursements, click
Mm-hmm.
confirm, click next, and then we just click create the case, confirm. Ta-da! Case been created inside Seller Central. So you don't need to even log into Seller Central right now. Sellerise will automatically create this case for you, and now you would be able just to manage this case and see the response from Amazon when they get money back to you. Like for example, you see this like we have a status pending, answered, whatever, like so. And also
Mm-hmm.
we're gonna monitor who submit the cases, who opened the cases. It's been Sellerized, it's been done manually, or maybe someone else was working on your case. Because a lot of time, a lot of people, they're already using some service providers. The good part about Sellerise, we don't charge any commission or any percentage. There's no hidden fees, everything included in your subscription. So basically you're getting this money back. I think the biggest case I've seen how much money Amazon been owing to the seller was 500 something thousand dollars. Imagine $500,000.
That's all right.
And the most funny part about this was the guy was having a service provider who was helping him to get the money back from Amazon. They find out that in July, the service provider told them that he reimbursed them $100,000, $107,000. This money never been deposited to the seller central account, and the service provider charged, I think, like 10 or 20% for this commission, for his commission. So imagine like Amazon didn't give you money back, you paid for the commission, and now you almost at the moment that Amazon will never get this money back to you because it's already a time sensitive case. So they find out this, and because I was on a call with their team and they requested money from Amazon, Amazon just requested the invoice and it helped them to get this money. So imagine like you get $100,000 from Amazon just by using Sellerise. That was fantastic, like as a case study for us. Majority of these categories would be easier to get money back from Amazon. As I showed you, only a few clicks away from getting money. Only FBA shipments will get you a bit more work. Let me show you. You click next, you choose the shipment that you want to work with,
Mm-hmm.
and then once you click next, we're gonna give you instructions on how to get money back from Amazon. We even give you like a templates what to do. And also if you're gonna click on this link right here, it's gonna take you right to the Seller Central to open a case specifically for specific transaction, specific shipment ID. And also we have here, it's called shipment documents. As you can see right here, shipment documents. Oh, the thing is, it's a live. Okay, let me go live. So if you go to shipment documents, you can see, let's say you're working for the specific item. Say this is item been lost. You can see the shipment and you can upload the documents right before you start to work on a reimbursement case. So let's say if someone in your team, the logistics team, they send in the inventory to Amazon, they have a shipment ID, they can go here and they can upload BOL, invoices, everything here. So the next person who is going to work on your reimbursements can come here and take this papers to submit back to Amazon. So this way you optimize your work and amount you're spending of looking for the correct invoices, BOLs, or any other documents. So reimbursements, it's also you can go here on the dashboard. You can see how much money Amazon reimburse you in cash. So if they lost your inventory, they're probably gonna get you back your money. But if let's say they found your inventory, then they probably gonna just give you back the units, which is still a money, which is also fine. And another part that I want to tell you guys, Amazon becoming more and more efficient with their reimbursements, which means they pre-calculate you reimbursements already sometimes themselves. They find the inventory sometimes. As you can see right here, we have an automated reimbursement. That's something that Amazon automatically calculate for you on your behalf. They don't want to make probably these mistakes anymore, and they give you this money back. But if you have a service provider, they're probably gonna claim that they did this for you, and you're gonna pay percentage. But we're just gonna show like this has been done automatically. Sellerise didn't do anything for that. So, and do you remember we was talking about smart alerts? But let's say if you're watching this on a different tutorials, inside Sellerise we have a smart alerts. And in smart alerts, you have to activate for yourself the alert when the new reimbursement units is available. You see right here. So this way, you don't need to log into reimbursements on a daily basis. You just waiting if alert comes to you. Let's say if the money become available, let's say right here it's a 0 because you already work on all your cases. But if you're gonna enable the alert, you don't need to log it all the time, and you will never miss the moment when Amazon gives you ability to get more money. So we're gonna just notify you on your email, Slack channel, or mobile application. We're gonna send you notification here. There's more money we found for you. Please log in back to Sellerise and request this money back from Amazon. That's the power of reimbursements by Sellerise.
Nice, man. Good stuff.